This video walkthrough contains everything you need to quickly understand what to expect in this unit. This bundle gives you complete access to all of these resources, including online and PDF versions. This unit has prerequisites and covers these concepts. The student handouts with complete answer keys and time limits has been divided into shorter segments to easily track student progress. Assessments and rubrics come in two formats. The first, a simple marking scheme, and an alternate marking scheme split into 4 categories: knowledge, thinking inquiry, communication, and application. Some activities require off-computer planning with teacher approval. The first step of this exit ticket is to plan the solution without a computer. An exemplar is included with detailed marking instructions. Student handouts and rubrics are editable, so you can tailor them to your class. Tests are also editable. Embedded videos have been added to the online learning slides so students can work independently. Lessons have been provided in both English UK and English US. You'll find detailed information on each topic to enhance your lessons in the notes. Get the discounted unit bundle or purchase these resources individually. Links can be found in the description below this video.